Hi and hello everyone. Good morning. I welcome you all to this presentation. I have chosen the topic degrees of comparison for my presentation. I am Akila, lecturer, Department of English, SF, Seethalakshmi Ramaswamy College, Trichurapalli. My topic for my presentation is degrees of comparison. Let me start my presentation. Degrees of comparison are used when we describe a person or a thing. Adjectives make the comparison. What are degrees of comparison? Degrees of comparison are used in grammar to show the degree of a quality or characteristic of a person, thing, or idea. Yes, in English grammar, degree of comparison is used to compare the attributes or features of distinct people, things, or actions. A degree of comparison is a type of adjective in the English language that is used to compare one person or object with another person or object that has the same quality. There are three types of degrees. The three degrees of comparison are positive, comparative, and superlative. Here are some examples of each degree. First, we have positive degree. The positive degree is the simple form of an adjective or an adverb that does not compare one thing to another. Yes, this offers no comparison. It just tells us about the existence of a quality. The sun is hot. Leela is beautiful. Here, the sun is not compared to any other planet, and the girl Leela is not compared to any other girl. So, hot and beautiful are in positive degree. Comparative degree. The comparative degree is used to compare two things and is formed by adding er to the end of the adjective or by using more before the adjective. Yes, the comparative degree compares two things to show which has the lesser or greater degree of the quality. Here are the examples of comparative degree. The first one is she is more beautiful than her sister. And the second one is he sings better than his friend. Superlative degree. The superlative degree is used to compare more than two things and is formed by adding est to the end of the adjective or by using most before the adverb. Yes, this compares more than two things to show which has the least or greatest degree of the quality. Examples. Number one, the sun is the hottest star in the sky. 2. He sings the best out of all his classmates. Yes. As I already said, degrees of comparison are from changing adjectives that are used to compare one thing or person to another. They are of three types: the positive degree, the comparative degree, and the superlative degree. In this slide, you can see the example for positive degree. Tom is a tall boy. More examples of positive degree are sweet, strange, dark. In this slide, you can see the example for comparative degree. Jim is a taller boy than Tom. In this sentence, Jim is a taller boy than Tom. The adjective taller compares the noun Jim with another noun Tom. Therefore, the adjective taller can be said to be in the comparative degree. Here, the comparative degree is formed from the positive simply with by adding the suffix er. Here we have superlative degree. Henry is the tallest of all the boys. In this sentence, the adjective tallest compares the noun Henry with more than one noun. In this case, boys collectively. Therefore, the adjective tallest can be said to be in the superlative degree. Here, the superlative degree is formed from the positive simply with the addition of the suffix est. More examples of superlative degree are sweetest, strangest, darkest, etc. In this slide, you can see the formation of adjectives and adverbs in all the three degrees. Here in this slide, we can see the formation of degree by addition of er and est to the positive degree. Tall, taller, tallest; short, shorter, shortest; young, younger, youngest; sweet, sweeter, sweetest; clever, cleverer, cleverest; bright, brighter, brightest. By addition of r and st to the positive degree ending in e. Brave, braver, bravest; wise, wiser, wisest; large, larger, largest; noble, nobler, noblest; simple, simpler, simplest. When the positive degree ends in y and has a consonant before it, change y into I and then add er and est. Here, all the adjectives in positive degree ends in y and has a consonant before them. So we have to change y into I and we have to add er for the comparative degree and est for the superlative degree. Examples are wealthy, wealthier, wealthiest; easy, easier, easiest; happy, happier, happiest; heavy, heavier, heaviest; lazy, lazier, laziest. When the positive degree ends in a consonant with a vowel before it, double the consonant and then add er and est. Examples are fat, fatter, fattest; hot, hotter, hottest; thin, thinner, thinnest; big, bigger, biggest. In this slide, we can see the formation of degree by placing more and most before positive form. Beautiful, more beautiful, most beautiful; attractive, more attractive, most attractive; difficult, more difficult, most difficult; important, more important, most important; suitable, more suitable, most suitable. Here are some adjectives which do not follow any of the rules explained earlier or below. These are known as irregular forms. Good, better, best; many, more, most; much, more, most; old, older or elder; oldest or eldest; little, less, least; bad, worse, worst. We have to follow some rules to change the positive degree to comparative degree. They are as follows. Rule number 1, subject to object. Rule number 2, object to subject. Rule number 3, negative to affirmative, that is positive. Then rule number 4, affirmative to negative. Here is an example. Shri is as tall as Devi. Shri is tall like Devi, so both of them are tall. Now we have to change this positive degree into comparative degree. According to the rules, first we have to change the object of the positive degree into the subject of comparative degree. So Shri becomes the object of comparative degree. Then we have to change the object of positive degree into the subject of comparative degree. So Devi becomes the subject of comparative degree. So here we have Devi, then is added here. Then the the first sentence, it is an affirmative sentence, so that we have to add not. Then the comparative form of tall is taller, then we have to add the, then we have here Shri. So Devi is not taller than Shri. Look at these examples. No other boy is so strong as Ravi. Ravi is stronger than any other boy. Ravi is the strongest boy. Very few countries is as large as China. China is larger than most other countries in the world. China is one of the largest countries in the world. Thank you.